Hello and welcome to our channel in Fate once per week. In this opportunity for you, stay tuned with us. It could in fact be investment and influence what the future holds. Alright, going to be talking about number 1, QDTE stock. Innovation 100 covered call strategy ETF is specialized chain trader fund designed to provide investors with exposed to diversify a portfolio of the 100 innovative companies. This fund employs a covered or call strategy which involves holding the underlying assets while selling call options generate additional income. This approach aims to enhance return while managing risk, making appealing a choice for investors seeking both growth and income. There's investment portfolio. QDTE stock price today is $40 US when I was recording. QDTE dividend history. QDTE has a dividend yield 36% and paid $14.58 per share in the first year. The dividend is paid once a week and the last dividend date was February 13, 2025. Right, number 2, RDTE stock, the Roundhill Small Cap Covered Call Strategy ETF RDTE, an exchange trade fund focus on the small cap stock while employing and covered call strategy generate additional income. This is ETF investment primarily diversify a portfolio of a small cap equities right call option on those stock. By doing the aim to provide investors with the potential capital appreciations while also generating premium income from the which can help them mitigate downside risk and enhance overall returns. The approach make RDTE an investing option of the investor seeking income, downside and growth and small cap market. RDTE stock price today is $40.50 US when I was recording. RDTE dividend history. RDTE has a dividend yield 16% and paid $6.54 per share in the first year. The dividends are paid once per week and the last ex-dividend date was February 13, 2025. Alright guys, number 3 is XDTE stock. Introducing XDTE's Roundhill S&P 500 covered call strategy ETF dive into dynamic investment approach that combines the power S&P 500 with a short-term covered call strategy. It is an exciting opportunity for those looking to enhance their portfolio while navigating today's fast-paced market. Explore the potential XDTE and see how it can elevate your investment game. Whether you are looking to capitalize on the market moves or seeking way to add consistent income to your portfolio. XDTE offers a strategy solution that stand out joined via modern investigation discount. XDTE stock price today is $50 US when I was recording. XDTE dividend history. XDTE has a dividend yield 23% and paid $11.90 per share in the first year. The dividends are paid once per week and last ex-dividend date was February 13, 2025. Alright guys, number 4, YMAG stock. The YMAG Magnificent is the founder is specialized investment fund that focuses on generating income through the portfolio of option income exchange. Trade funds ETFs. This fund strategy invests 7 high potential companies. Utilizing option trading enhance yield and provide investors with attractive income opportunities. By leveraging option strategies, the fund aims to deliver consistent return while managing risk and dynamic market environment. YMAG stock price today is $18 US when I was recording. YMAG dividend history. YMAG has a dividend yield of 40% and paid $7.39 per share in the first year. The dividends are paid once a week and the last extended dividends date was February 13, 2025. Alright guys, number 5, YMAX stock. The YMAX Universal Fund Option Income ETF. YMAX is a specialized investment fund designed to generate income through the diversified portfolio of exchange or trade fund ETF. They utilize the option strategy. This fund aims to leverage a potential various asset class, maximize yield while managing risk. By incorporating options, YMAX is enhanced returns of provide investor with the unique approach income generation of financial market. YMAX stock price today is $16 US when I was recording. YMAX dividend history and YMAX dividend yield 48% and paid $8.05 for shares in the first year. The dividends are paid once a week and the last ex-dividend date was February 13, 2025. Alright guys, today's video was to talk about 5 stocks. Keep your mind and QDTE, RDTE, and XDTE and YMAG and last one YMAX. These Stocks pay dividend once a week, and this present opportunity that could impact your investment and influence your financial future. Alright, QQQY, the QQQY stock represents a dynamic investment fund designed to provide investors with the growth potential through diversified portfolio. This activity manager fund strategy invests in a wide range of assets, including the stock, bond, and other security. Capitalize on market trends opportunities. The fund employs flexible investment strategy, allowing to adapt the changing market condition and economic landscape. This is focus on the maximum returns while managing risk. QQQY offers investors to participate in the financial market while benefiting from the professional management and expertise. The QQQY stock represents shares activity management and investment fund that aim to achieve growth by investing in diverse range of assets. This fund adapts the market condition and seeks opportunity in various sectors, managing flexible choice. Investor looking for potential returns. QQQY stock price today is $29.69 when I was recording. QQQY has a dividend yield of 82%, 95 and paid $24 per share in the past year. The dividend is paid once a week, and the last ex-dividend date was February 20, 2025. Guys, number 2, WDTE stock. WDTE stock represents shares as a company identified by stock ticker is a WDTE. This stock trades a major exchange and analyzed by investors seeking to understand its market performance. Investors look at the various factors such as company financial health, revenue growth, earning reports, and industry trends, assess stock potential. Notable metrics include the price to earning, the PE ratio, the dividend yield, and market capitalization. Additionally, the recent news such as product launches, partnerships, or changes in leadership can significantly impact the stock value. Analysis may also provide the forecast on the stock future performance based on market condition and company fundamentals. Or understand WDTE stock involves through examination of both quantity and data and qualities and insight, helping users navigate their potential investment risk and rewards. WDTE stock price today is $38.69 when I was recording. WDTE has a dividend yield of 51% and paid $19.73 per share as the past year. The dividend is paid once a week, and last ex-dividend date was February 2025. Last one, number 3, IWMY stock. IWMY stock is distinguished by the strategy focus on emerging industries such as technology, renewable energy, and biotechnology, which are poised sustainable growth in the economy era. Investors around IMW stock of potential achieve impressive capital appreciation. Backed by original market research and analysis, the portfolio reflects the blend of established company and promises startup. Open balance risk rewards profile. This stock often aligned with the broader economic shift toward sustainability and digital transformation, making them attractive forward-thinking investors. Or IMW stock represent an engaging opportunity and diversified investment strategy by participating in the growth sector that likely depend future global economy. IWMY stock presents a unique investment opportunity showcase and diverse portfolio geared toward innovative and market trends and emerging industry. These stocks have garnered attention for potential yield significant returns in financial landscape. IMW stock price today is $28 when I was recording. IMW has dividend yield of 105.72% and paid $30 per shares in the past year. The dividend paid once a week, and the ex-dividend date of February 2025. To the video also talk about 3 stock keep your mind: QQQY, WDTE, and last one the IWMY. These stock pay dividends once a week. This is a present opportunity that could in fact be investment and influence your financial future. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.